Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x square plus x square and its whole square root is equals to x square, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here we move towards our first method, and in the first method we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side, so that in order to remove this square root sign we need to take the squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. And further in the next step we need little bit simplifications here, and you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get x square plus x square is equals to, this is x square and its whole square becomes x to the power of 4. And now here in the left hand side you see two same variable terms are added by each other, so it means that we add the coefficients of these terms. So after adding the coefficients it will becomes 2 times of x square is equals to x to the power of 4. And further in the next step we move this to x square to the right hand side, and it will becomes x to the power of 4 minus 2 times of x square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve x square, so it means that x square be the common term, so we take common x square from here, and after taking common this we get the remaining values are, from here we get x square minus from here we get 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 2 is equals to 0. So from here, in order to find the values of x, we need to take the square root on both of the sides. So when you take square root, it will becomes here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get our x is equals to square root of 0 becomes here 0. So this is the value of x which we get here from first method. And here we need to move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes x square is equals to 2. And here in order to find the values of x we need to apply square root on both of the sides. So when you apply square root on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. And now you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, this is square root of 2. Because here we apply square root on both of the sides, means that we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So here we get there are two roots of the given equation. And now here in the next steps we need to verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So for verification of the roots we need to copy down a given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of x square plus x square is equals to x square. And here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus minus square root of 2. Because each of the term is in square form, so we can substitute both of these values at the same time, and we check here its behavior. Okay, so when you put x is equals to 0 on both of the sides, you get here this is 0 square plus 0 square, and its square root is equals to 0 square. And we know that 0 square becomes 0, and this 0 is also becomes 0. This means that the value of x is equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. So x is equals to 0 be the first solution, and now here we verify the second values of x. So now we substitute this value of x on both of the sides, and after substituting this it will becomes plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square, plus in this case plus minus square root of 2 and its whole square, and its square root is equals to x square. And in the right hand side we again substitute the value of x here, and it will becomes plus minus square root of 2 times and its whole square. Okay, so further here we need some simplification. You know that the square of positive and a negative term is becomes positive, and we know that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 2 only. Plus in the same pattern here, the square root plus is plus and minus is also plus, and this 2 and square root are gone, and we get again here 2 only, and this is equals to here we know that plus minus square becomes plus and square root of 2 becomes here 2. So here we have 2 plus 2 becomes square root of 4 is equals to 2, and we know that a square root of 4 becomes 2 equals to 2. So this shows that the second values of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So it means that both of these two are solutions of the given equation. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is 0 and plus minus square root of 2. So these are the solution set which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is x square plus x square square root is equals to x square. In this method I can just give you direct techniques in which how you can get the roots of this equation. So here first we need to focus into the left hand side, and you see here x square plus x square becomes 2 times of x square, and its whole square root is equals to x square. So here we apply this square root separately on both of these values, and it will becomes square root of 2 into square root of x square is equals to x square. So this x and this are cancelled out by each other, and we get here square root of 2 into x is equals to x square. And now we move these two terms to the right hand side, and it will becomes x square minus square root of 2 times of x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need to take common x from here, and when you take common x we get the remaining values are x minus square root of 2 is equals to 0. And here we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus square root of 2 is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of x is equals to square root of 2. This is the second root of the given equation. So here in the first method we already verify both of these two roots, and we see that both of these two roots are satisfied our given question statement. So our final conclusion about the solution set of this question is that we have 0 into square root of 2 be the final solution set of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.